Yeah. Jay fighting another fish. Just see his rod tip going over there. Because he's behind the rock. But we'll jump down so we can see him. There he is.
Oh no!
Oh, he's up over that big rock. Well, be careful, man. Are you kidding me?
Hey, you got this rod bent right over, huh?
Oh yeah, man. Big fish.
There's my hallway right there.
Oh, yeah, that sinking feeling in your gut goes. Good job. Do that right now. It's rolling. Let's see how long it takes him to catch another. Yeah. Give you a little show of where we are here. Harris Creek. This is going to be a very big creek. And this is what we got.
Alright, man, I go back to fishing the power.